Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Thombre and my today's topic is non-technical. So my topic is waste management. Waste management is a critical component of modern society that was addressing the collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal of waste materials. With the rapid urbanization, the population growth and the industrial development, that was the effective waste management has become sustainable public health and economic stability. In that, the waste management can be vital for several reasons. For in that, such as environmental protection. In that, the environmental protection, the improper disposal of waste can lead to the pollution of air, such as water, soil, harming ecosystem and the wildlife. So, in that, the effective waste management minimizes some impact, such as the in the public health. In that, they can accumulated the waste can harbor pathogens that can be leading to the diseases and that are caused to the risks for some disease to the humans. So the proper disposal and terminating that wastage into the treatment, such as prevent to the hazardous to the human beings. That resource conservation, in that human can recycling and reusing that material, that can reduce the need for raw resources, that can conserve energy and lowering environmental footprints. The next was the economic benefit. The waste management that creates jobs in recycling, composing and waste to energy industries, while saving money or raw materials and the waste disposal. The waste have some types that can broadly classifying such several steps. That was a municipal solid waste. It includes the household waste and commercial waste, such as food scraps, such papers, and plastics, etc. The another was the industrial waste. It was generated by manufacturing process, including the chemicals, metals, and byproducts. And the another waste was the hazardous waste. It's contain a toxic, flammable, or radioactive material that required a special handling. The another was a biochemical waste. It was produced by the healthcare facilities, including needles, syringes, and some medical disposals. And the another was the e-waste. That was consists of all discarded electronic devices like computers, phones, and batteries, etc. The waste management process that has involved some several stages. That was firstly was the waste generation. In that, the waste generation occurs in households, industries, and commercial establishment. That can minimizing the waste at the source is the first step towards the effective management. And another one was the collection. In that, the waste is collected from the householders, businesses, and the public spaces. That collected waste can have the sufficient collection system, such as the segregated bins for recyclables, organics, and non-recyclables, ensure proper holding. Sorry. The next one was the transportation. In that, the collected waste was transported to the treatment or the disposal facilities. That was using specialized vehicle that can minimize the spillage and contamination during the transit. The next part was the treatment. In that include the recycling, compositing, incinerations, and waste to the energy conversion. Each method aims to minimize environmental impact of the waste. The another stage was the disposal. That can be treated as disposed of in landfills or designed disposal sites. The modern landfills use the linears and leachate management system to prevent the contamination. The waste management techniques, that was three main stages, such as it may be a three R's, such as reuse, reduce and recycle. In that, the reduce minimize the waste generation by adopting sustainable consumption practice. The reuse was extend the life cycle of products through the repair and repurposing. In that, the recycle the waste materials like paper, plastic, and metals into new products, converging resources and energy. That like so. Thank you so much.